tools, SDKs, or APIs do you think every mobile dev should learn early in their journey?
Actually, there is three things that you need to learn directly, and they are required and so important. Firstly, as I mentioned before, is Firebase, because Firebase it's a rich tool, and especially with Flutter, it helps with everything. There is like authentication, there is database, like storage, notification, cloud storage, as I said. So Firebase is a must, not an optional. You need to learn how to work with Firebase. Also, like for analytics, Crashlytics, I think there is no Flutter project without Firebase. This is first. Second, GitHub or Git tools, how to push commands, how to merge command, how to work with branches, what is the main branch for you, how to merge for it. So mainly Firebase and Git are like the most critical things to learn.
Okay, that's right.
So important learning about RESTful APIs and the GraphQL. This is the two way of fetching APIs or getting data from backend. You don't have to learn both because GraphQL is not used in most of the application. When you become a senior, you could learn it, but start with RESTful APIs and how to call HTTP request. And this is like three parts, as I said: Firebase, Git, and HTTP request or RESTful APIs. This is the three things important.
Thank you for the detailed answer, Samar. Let's jump onto our fourth part, interviews,
Okay.
applying, and breaking into industry. Okay,
Okay.
so my first question is, what types of interview questions or coding challenges should fresher expect in the mobile dev roles?
I think it depends on the company and in the role he's applying for, because it I applied like for from my experience, I applied for multiple companies, and each company have its own way of interviewing. Some of them like could send you, for example, I want you to create this feature, and you have free time to create it. For example, you have 2 days, you need to complete it. In this way, like they see how you create a project, how you structure it, how you code it. They don't care about like how fast you do it. They care about like the quality of the code that you write. And some of them focusing on like how you work under pressure or like how fast you can do it. Like they have live interview, which is okay. I want you to create like search page with the products, and it's live interview, which is like live coding. I think like most of developers hate this because they like feel pressure and they feel being watched. And this is like two parts of them, and the third part is like technical questions. So uh, you need to prepare from theoretical part how you could answer like the main questions of because mainly for sure they will ask you about all the technical from like theoretical part, and also from practical part they would ask you about they would ask you to like apply something directly. So yes.
Okay, I think that's right. And also, is system design important for junior roles? When should freshers start learning it?
I don't think it's important for juniors to learn system. This is the seniority level, and there is a lot of things to learn before jumping into system design. So let's not focus on that.
Ah, okay. Okay, that's right. Because I heard this actually system design is very important. So that's
It's
why I was
important for sure. It's important, but not for a
for
person who is
juniors.
just learning. Yes, not
Okay.
for juniors.
Yeah. Okay.